Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another video. Now I'm in the mood of a mid-afternoon protein shake as a meal replacement. I'm not feeling very hungry today, but I know I didn't eat, so I'm going to make a smoothie instead. But today I'm going to make my banana peanut butter smoothie from PB Fit, okay? And this is organic plant-based peanut butter powder, and it's 90% less fat, and all you have to do is pretty much just add water. So I'm going to be using this today in my smoothie. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of my PB Fit powder, peanut butter powder. And I'm also going to put in some plant-based protein. You can use whatever protein powder that you have. Alright, but make sure it's plant-based. Much healthier. I'm going to put 2 scoops of that in here. 2 scoops. And that's my Live Fit plant protein. I got this at Walmart in the health food section. Alright. Now I'm going to add in some of my oatmeal oats. And I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of that in there. And what this is going to do is fill me up, help me to stay full longer. Okay, because dinner time is not that far away. Alright, and I'm just adding in some almonds. This is optional. You don't have to do this. Alright, but I do like my nuts. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of that in there. Like I said, that's optional. It's not necessary. And I'm going to use half a banana. This was pretty big banana, so I'm only going to use half of it. And lastly, I'm going to be using my silk milk. This one is unsweetened. Okay, but you can get the sweetened if you desire, but the less sugar the better. And I'm going to put in 1 cup of my silk milk. Okay, you can also add in other things like your flaxseed, you know, whatever you feel that you want to put in there for flavoring. Alright, I'm just going to try to get the powder from the bottom. And we're going to use our blender today. Today I'm going to be using my NutriBullet blender. Alrighty, and that's pretty much it. Now, this is a wonderful meal replacement. It's going to give you energy. It's going to fill you up. It's also going to help boost your metabolism. It's going to give you a lot of that added fiber that you need in your body. And it really tastes good. Okay, you guys, and there you have it. This delicious protein meal replacement drink that's going to help fill you up, give you that energy, fill you with fiber, help you to go. Okay? And that's what we're trying to do right now. We're trying to fill up with fiber. I didn't add any type of sweetener in it because I've taken the sweetened flavor from the bananas, but you're welcome to add in a teaspoon of honey, a little bit of stevia if you choose to. But this is a wonderful weight loss or meal replacement, as well as a pre and post workout drink. Okay, so if you want a protein drink before you work out or after you work out, this is also a wonderful recipe that you can easily throw together on your way to the gym or after you come home. You don't want to really eat anything heavy, you can always have a meal replacement. So this is a delicious smoothie that you can create and fill your body up with all of that wonderful goodness. Alright, until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.